Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a couple of different solutions to resolving if your mouse keeps pressing on your computer. So the reasons for continuous mouse press are various such as improper, corrupt or outdated drivers, malware, and viruses, a technical issue like low batteries, a connectivity issue like damage or loose cord, and corrupt Windows registry. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to update the mouse driver. Kung paano ba yun natin gawin, all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And once na-open mo na tong run, so dito lang sa box ay kailangan lang i-enter dito yung command keyword na dabmgmt.msc. So just type this command keyword dabmgmt.msc. So this is the keyboard shortcut of device manager. And next step ay itap mo lang dito yung OK. And once na-open mo na tong device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung mice and other pointing device. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then kailangan lang natin i-update yung ating mouse driver. So kung paano ba ito i-update? So select and right click. And then itap mo lang dito yung update driver. And may dalawang option dito na pwede natin gawin, like search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for drivers. So select ka lang dito sa dalawa and then kailangan lang itap dito yung search automatically. So i-click mo lang yan and wait natin. And then the best drivers for your device are already installed. And hope na na-resolve yung problem, but if the error still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to check the mouse key settings. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings. And i-click mo lang dito yung open. And once na-open mo na tong settings, and dito lang sa left side menu, and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung accessibility. So i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa right side, ay scroll down and ilocate natin dito yung mouse. Scroll down tayo. Under dito sa interaction, so select mo lang dito yung mouse. I-click mo lang yan. And dito lang sa pinakauna mga kaibigan na mouse keys, so kailangan natin itong i-turn on. So dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang button. So turn on natin yan. And dito naman sa kanyang option dito sa settings sa baba ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung only use mouse key and then yung show the mouse key icon on the taskbar. Okay? So once na-turn on mo na dito, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang si start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. I-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix mouse pressing every couple of seconds on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.